Hello and welcome to the PSS program. This is the third episode on how to enter data into rediCASE. Step 3. How to update client information. Log on to rediCASE. Go to the Search Received Referral page, click on the Details tab of the client you wish to update. Once the file is open, click on the Client Details tab at the top of the page. Once the page has expanded, click on the Edit Client Details button at the top right side of the page. This will now allow you to update the client details. Please note there are some sections of the Client Details page that cannot be changed, such as the Referral Information section. Once all the client details have been updated, click on the Save Client Details button at the top right side of the page. A green Client Details Updated notification will appear at the top right of the screen. To update the client's case file details, click on the Case File tab. Once the tab is open, click on the Edit button at the top right of the screen. Update the case file information as required. Once completed, click the Save button at the top right side of the page. A green Case File Saved Successfully message should appear, and you will be reverted to the Actions tab of the client file. You can now exit the client file.